him. Tell him. Get him. You tell him what for. How dare they walk on your sidewalk? There's a man out there. There's actually like 5 men out there. They're resurfacing the parking lot. Get him. What a good girl you are. Tell him. Very nice. Tell him. They're going to come back in a minute. Here they come. You can hear them. See them? Can't see. There they come. Ready? Ready? Oh, there they are. There they are. Tell them. So, I always say sometimes that's the only exercise she gets. Good girl. It's very nice. Sorry, I'm laughing. Get him. Now she's wagging her tail. Get him. Get that skinky tail. Wag that tail. Get him. Oh, she's not wagging her tail now. There she's wagging her tail. Get him. Get him. Look at that tail. It looks horrible. Oh, he's right there. See him? Tell him. You a very good girl. Yeah, you can sit down. Aww. All done. She's going to sit down because she's too tired. Yes, a good girl. All done.